Good morning from Matt Burt at the Chang Circuit. We're just a few miles from the city of Berjuang, ready to bring you the Thai Grand Prix. In a few moments, we'll move to the main straight to watch the start of the MotoGP race. We're on the starting grid where the lights will soon go out to start the race. The sun is shining and there's not a trace of cloud. It's really hot. With these temperatures, it's no surprise that most riders have opted for a hard compound on both front and rear. Riders are lined up on the starting grid. The countdown begins for the lights to go out. Just a few more moments and the Thai Grand Prix will begin. take a look at the final ranking of the MotoGP race before the traditional podium ceremony. We're moving to Parc Ferme with the live coverage where the 3 podium finishers have just arrived. The winner is over the moon and is rightly indulging in celebrations with his team members. We're live for the podium ceremony where there's an Italian flag flying on the top step. A stunning win in great Italian style. Bagnaia beat his opponents with a masterful victory today.